Ang real estate interest ng mga Villar ay isang election issue, and here's why. I personally covered the campaign rally of the Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas in Laguna. And I find it interesting that in Laguna, and even in Cavite the day prior, local journalists raised the issue of the diminishing number of agricultural lands in those provinces, na palitan na raw ng mga subdivisions. Tinanong nila yung mga kandidato ni Pangulong Marcos, anong gagawin nyo para solusyonan yung problemang ito? This observation didn't come from thin air. If you look at the data, talagang umunti significantly yung agricultural land sa Calabarzon. In 2002, the PSA said may around 580,000 hectares of agricultural land in Calabarzon. By 2021, nasa 110,000 hectares na lang. Pero hindi pa kasama doon yung tinatawag na premature conversion or when an LGU reclassifies an agricultural land for other uses nang hindi dumaan sa tamang proseso. A national land use framework would address this issue. It would harmonize existing but conflicting laws on land use and magsiset ng clear parameters kung anong klaseng agricultural lands yung pwedeng i-convert. Dekada-dekada na itong nakabinbin sa Kongreso. Sa nakalipas na 9 na taon, hindi rin ito ginalaw ng Senado kahit pa ipinasa na ito ng House of Representatives sa 17th at 19th Congress. Sino bang chairperson ng Senate Environment Committee? Di si Senator Cynthia Villar na siyang may kapangyarihan na mag-set ng agenda ng kanyang komite. So even when the House passed it numerous times and even when former President Duterte and now President Marcos said it's a priority measure, it has just been held hostage in Senator Villar's committee. Matagal nang pinuputakte ng mga kritisismo ng conflict of interest ang pagiging Environment Committee Chairperson ni Senator Cynthia. Ang asawa niyang si dating Senate President Manny Villar naging pinakamayamang tao sa Pilipinas dahil sa kanyang real estate empire. Ang mga Villar ang may-ari ng Vistaland na involved sa conversion ng farmland into subdivisions. Halimbawa, sa Imus, ito yung biggest property developer. Sa Laguna, may ekta-ektaryang gated subdivision ang subsidiary nitong Camellia Homes. Noong 2022, nagkasagutan pa nga sina Senator Cynthia at Senator Raffy Tulfo sa Senado dahil sa issue ng farmland conversion.
Marami na po mga subdivision na nagsilipa na.
Where will the people live if you don't build subdivision?
Marami po mga lugar na pwede pong pagtayo ng subdivision. Huwag lang po i-take over yung mga farms.
The Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas candidates are quick to assert that they would support the land use bill.
I am for the land use bill. Dapat po, ipasa na yan is high time.
But getting it passed requires a higher level of political will. Medyo lumalab daw din yung mga matatamis nilang salita, gayong kaalyado nila si Deputy Speaker Camille Villar na gustong palitan ang kanyang ina sa Senado. Their pronouncements will remain empty promises unless they actually stand up to the Villars and support a new chairperson of the Senate Environment Committee in the event they actually make it to the Senate.